Hey everyone, you're here with Dr. Fullstack. So I've been working on this project for weeks where I've been trying to transcribe phone calls utilizing AssemblyAI as well as Node.js and Twilio. And the buffers were just killing me. But as of right now, I've been able to crack the code and I'm shocked. So I'm going to let you guys see this demonstration because it means a lot to me. I literally have been working on this for a while, so let me go ahead and run this, and I'm gonna go ahead and call myself. Okay, so hey there. So I'm showing a demo for YouTube, and I'm hoping that you guys are able to see this demo for YouTube, and I'm gonna stop the video now. So there we go. So this is the probably the final is what they call it. Hey there. So I'm showing a demo for YouTube, and I'm hoping that you guys are able to see this demo for YouTube. I'm going to stop the video. Earlier, you'll also see a few of my comments. Look. Hey there. I'm showing a demo for YouTube, and I'm hoping that you guys are able to see this demo. Wonderful. So now, to make this look a little less messy, I'm going to remove this code where I was console logging things. And at this point, just make sure nothing crazy is here. I'm going to remove this as well. And let's go ahead and start this over again. Hey, can you hear me at all? I'm not sure if it's, oh, wow, there you are. Okay, sweet. So it's actually picking up my sound, which is awesome. Now, I don't think this one has the sentiment, but it's able to really get a lot of the words that I'm saying out. For example, so I'm a full stack developer. I work on front-end, back-end projects. We're talking about Node.js. Oh, phone hung up. So I was trying to test its speed, but we got the text, which is amazing. So this is the code that worked, and I'm even gonna email it to myself like, this is the code that worked. But if you guys want to watch a tutorial on how I built that, then watch my next video, and please like and subscribe because this took me a long time to figure out. Love you all.